once again welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel Tech Knowledge. Today in this session we will discuss about fourth session of unit Digital Documentation Advanced. This session name is Create and Customize Table of Content. This is the fourth session in this unit. In this session we will discuss various topics like table of content, hierarchy of heading, customization of table of content, character styles, maintaining a table of content. These many topics are the theory based topics, and here same topics available in practical. Means table of content means how we will create a table of content, then how we will define a hierarchy of table heading, then next is customize a table of contents, apply character styles means how we will change the character styles, means how we can change the size, font color, background styles like this, and then maintain a table content. In this maintain a table content we will have three options. One is update, second one is edit, and third one is delete. Means how we will update table of content, how we will edit table of content, and third one is how we will delete table of content. All these three comes under maintain a table of contents. So let's start. A table of content is a list of headings in which they appear in the document. You can set a list of headings which should be a part of the table of contents. Now question is arise where table of content is needed. Just like whenever you work with a book, or you want to make a long article, or you want to create a long document with headings and subheadings. For example, you are creating an annual report or a catalog that has several sections. Then you might want to add a table of contents to the beginning of the document to give your readers an overview of the document. Is it clear? Basically, table of content is used to provide readers attraction. Then how we will how we will create table of content. In this video we will see how we will create table of content in OpenOffice Writer as well as MS Word in 2007 version. In both the versions we have discussed in the same video. Let's start. I have created 3 pages like this. First is the main heading, then subheading, then subheading means like chapter name, then topic name, then subtopic name. Means there are 3 levels and it's a matter. Only 2 lines I have written here. Similarly, in next page I have written main heading, subheading, and then its subheading like this. Clear? Then definition. Similarly, third page. Here I want to create table of content. So what are the steps to create a table of content? First you have to place your cursor at the top of the page, means first page. Top of the document means first page of the document. It is not compulsory. Either you can place your cursor second or third page, means you can place your table of content second page, third page, where you want to place, you can place it. But we want to place in the first page. It looks better for the book, for the article, or user can or reader can easily get paste. What I will do, I will go to the insert menu bar, select insert. There is a index and table option. In the sub menu we will get 3 options. One is entry, second one is indexes and tables, and third one is bibliography entry. So here I will select second option, indexes and tables. Once I click index and table option, now insert index table dialog box will appear our screen. Here the left side shows the preview what the how table of content will look appear. See this. If you want to change the title, you can change it, but the title is here table of contents. Then there are many types available like table of content, alphabetical index, illustration index. There are so many types available, but here in your syllabus only table of contents is given. So we will discuss about table of content. Now there is protected against manual changes. This option is checked by default checked. We will discuss afterwards. Then two checkboxes are checked also, outline and index mark. After that, after here maximum 10 levels of heading are available, evaluate up to level 10. Means total 10 headings are available, but in our document only 3 level is given, heading 1, heading 2 and heading 3. Is it clear? So click on OK button. You will get your table of content. Your table of content appear at the last. Why? Because maybe my cursor is here. So, do it again. Place the cursor at the top of the page of the document, first page. Then again go to the insert menu, indexes and tables, second one option. Then click on OK. See, now table of content appear at the first page. Is it clear? Now this is second page, this is third page, this is fourth page. In this document total 4 pages are given. See, main topic name chapter 1 number system. Subtopic is this one and its subtopic is decimal number system. Is it clear? With page number is given. This topic is given page number, first chapter is given page number 2, second chapter is given page number 3, third chapter given in page number 4, like this. If you want to modify this table of content, what you will do? You will place your cursor and press any key. Now I am pressing delete key, backspace key, but there is no change. What happens? Why it not changing? See, right click in the table of content, you will get shortcut menu and select added index table. See this concept. Protected against manual change means this time it is enabled, means it is protected. Nobody will change it. Now remove this checkbox. Now it is unchecked and then click OK. Now after that you have to see here, press backspace. See the changes. Now I press backspace key, it will change. Why? Because this time it is not protected. Is it clear? Control Z, undo, and then again protect. Is it clear? Then suppose that I want to modify this document, means this chapter 1 I want to place in the third page. Press enter key many times. Once you get page number 3, now see, this is available in page number 3. Now total we have 5 pages. Second page is blank. If any change is made in the table of content, see here, number system is given in page number 2, but in the page number 2 nothing is here, nothing is present. What happens? We changed in the document, but table of content is not changed. Why? Because we have not updated it. Means after modification, if you want to change your table of content, you should right click on table of content and select update index and table option. Is it clear? Once you click on update table index, then you see here, see the changes. Now this is page number 3, page number 4 and page number 5. In this document total we have 5 pages. Our first chapter is given in page number 3, means page number 2 is blank. Is it clear? So I have discussed this, how we create table of content, then maintain a table of content. Maintain a table of content. In this we have three options. One is right click, update index a table. Second is edit index or table. Or third one is delete index or table. How will you delete this? You can delete simply right click on it and then index and table. Once you click on this option, your table of content will be like this. Again, you want to get this table of content, go there and then index and table option, then click like this. If you want to provide an hyperlink in second topic, what you will do means in this topic one, here in this topic one you want to provide hyperlink. What you will do? Simply you have to go in the table of content, edit option, edit table of content. There is select second one, entries. Before discussing this topic, entries or the style, first we have to discuss about columns or background. See, this time its background is gray. This table of content background is gray. I want to change its background color. So what we will do? Select background tab in the insert table index or table. Choose any one color which you want like this and then press OK button. See, its background color is changed. Similarly, you want to make your table of content in two column manner. This time it is in one column manner. We want to place in two column manner like this, one column, two column, then click OK. See, our table of content appear in two column manner. Is it clear? Then choose one, then background no fill, and then click OK. See, this is the original without the background. Now I want to make this topics with hyperlink. What I will do? Through the entries tab, you can do it. But what are the steps to make this topic or second level, first level, third level, whatever level you have, you want to make it hyperlink? How will you do this? So we have one PDF. First we have to read this PDF. I got this PDF from the Apache software, Apache's website, Apache openoffice.org. See this is a website name, openoffice.org, the website. We got one PDF from there because CBSE till now not given any PDF file regarding your book or related to the syllabus. So I have downloaded this from the website. This is the chapter number 12 in OpenOffice, but according to our syllabus, it is a unit number 1 and section number 4. Table of content, indexes and bibliographies. But here we want to discuss only table of content because in our syllabus is only one topic, table of content. Now table of content like this. Once I click in this, see here, this is the index, means table of content. I want to click it. Once I click table of content, it moves to the page number 6, means table of content. Here this line is the definition of table of content. Clear? All things are given here. Okay, how we create a table, to see the steps. Click in the document where you want to table of content appear. So first time I placed our cursor at the top of the document, means first page of the document. Then choose insert. Choose insert means go to the insert menu. Then indices and table option. Then indices and table. This is the second option. Then after that click on OK. The result will be table of content. Means by this way you will get table of content option. Clear? Then see, this topic is for update table of content. If you add or delete text or you add, delete or change heading, you need to update table of content to do this. Click anywhere in the table of content, means right click in anywhere, then select update index the table like this. See here, right click, update index and table. Is it clear? This is the step to update your table of content. Now, customizing your table of content. Customizing table of content, we have various options. This topic is also given in your syllabus. Customize a table of content. Customize table of content, this is given, or its theory is given in this PDF. You can write or make notes from here. Also, almost every aspect of table of content can be customized to suit the style and requirements of your table, of your document. However, with the flexibility also comes some complexity, and it is good to have in the mind desired and result. Start by clicking in the document where you want the table of content to appear. Insert index and table option to open the index table dialog box shown in preview. Is it clear? Once you click on this, you will get index, insert index and table option dialog box. From this you will insert your table, or if you want to modify it, you can modify easily. Clear? Change the options, customize your table of content from here. If you want to change the site title, change its type like this. If you want to reduce number of labels, you can reduce from here. Check or uncheck these options like this. So various options available here. You can read from here and do the changes. Is it clear? Now, after that, I want to discuss this one topic. This hyperlinking and entry. Means I want to make anyone as a hyperlink. Anyone as a hyperlink. So how we will do this? We can do with the help of these options. Right click, then edit index table, then you will get entries. You will get second tab, this is called entries. From here you can make changes. Once you select entries option, you will you can see here various numbers are given, like E has like this. What is this? So read from this PDF. This E has button represent chapter number. Chapter number means main heading. This is the heading, means level 1. Then E button represent the chapter or subchapter text, means second one. Like this, first one, this first chapter 1 represent by E has, second one represent by E, like this. Then T represent tab stop, means tab stop just like a gap. Then hash button represent a page number. Then LS button represent start of a hyperlink, means from where you want to start. And LE represent the end of a hyperlink, means where you want to finish it. Now, how will you apply this? These are the many buttons available in this entries structure. E has, E has, LS or LE, means every letter or every word having different meaning. Is it clear? Every letter or every word has different meaning. Now see how we will apply hyperlink in table of contents. Step number 1. On the structure line, place the cursor in the white field to the left of the E has button. Now right click where you want to apply this hyperlink, either level 1, level 2, level 3, because in our document only 3 levels are given. So I want to apply our hyperlink in level 2. So select level 2 first, then in the white space area, this is the white space area, here place your cursor, and then what is written here? On the structure line, place the cursor in the white field to the document left of the E has button. Left of E has button. This is the left area of E has button. Place your cursor here. Then click on hyperlink button and LS button representing the start of hyperlink. Now, there after placing this cursor sign, go to hyperlink button and click on this button. You will get LS. LS is for starting hyperlink. Is it clear? Then on the structure line, place the cursor white field to the right of E button. Right of E button. This is the E button, it's right. This one. Again, you have to click on hyperlink. Once you click on hyperlink, you will get ELE. LE means end of hyperlink. Is it clear? It looks like this. Now, if you want to change its background color or size or something else, you go to the character style option, because this is also given in your syllabus. See this. Apply character style. Apply character style. What you will do? At the same time, you go in the edit button. This is the character style. This is the character style option. Now, click on this edit. Reduce its size like 12. Make it bold. Time to no one. Any other? Background color. I don't want background color. Choose no fill option. Then something else. If you want to make change, you can change from here, from the character style dialog box. Okay. Then click on OK button. Then click on OK button. See this. There is no background. Its size is 12. What is written? Once you place your cursor in the second level, CTRL, click to open hyperlink. Means you have to press CTRL key from the keyboard and click on this hyperlink. You will get your page. This is the chapter number 2, means page number 2. Is it clear? Because first page is related to the table of content, second page is our blank, third page chapter 1, fourth page is a chapter 2. So once you click on this, you want to this chapter 2, what you will do? Press control key from the keyboard. The cursor sign change like a hand symbol. Click on this, you will get this chapter 2, means page number 4. Suppose you want to go at the last page, again you have to press control and then click on this. See this, right? There is chapter 2 is written. I want to write here chapter 3. Here I had made change, but in the content I made change, but in the table of content not affected. So what I will do? Right click, then select update index entry. Once I click, see here. First you see here this chapter 2 and chapter 2. Clear? Right click, update table of content, sorry, update table index. See the change. Now this time second chapter 2, or this is chapter 3. Means after modification you have to do update table index. Clear? These are the many options available here. I have done this: create table of content, define a hierarchy of headings, customize a table of content, apply character styles, or maintain a table of content. In maintain of table of content, nothing but it is 3 options are given. See the PDF. Maintain. See here. Maintaining a table of content. In this heading, only 3 topics it covers. First is edit an existing table of content. Second is update a table of content when changes are made to the document. Or third is delete table of content. All 3 options we have discussed. First, edit we have done, update we have done, delete also we have done. Is it clear? I think all the topics we have discussed related to this session. I will provide this PDF to you. You can make your notes with the help of this PDF. Now come to the MS Office 2007. Here we can also see table of content option. Table of content option available in the reference tab. Under the reference tab, see here, or its group name is table of contents. Group name is table of contents. Option name is table of contents. Once you click on this drop down arrow, you will get some built-in table of content or manual table of content. Is it clear? Here we have three hierarchy of table of content. Here in the hierarchy we have total 10 labels are also available in this. The table of content gallery offers three standard table options. Three standard table options. One is automatic table 1, second automatic table 2, and third one is manual table. If you want to create table of content by own choice, so select this insert table of content. See here, I copied same data in this file. I copied this same data in this file like this. Is it clear? Place our cursor in the first page because table of content will appear at the first page. Then go to the table of content option. If you want to make automatic table of content, select. What is the change here? Change is in automatic table 1 there is heading only contents. In automatic table 2 there is heading table of contents. Clear? Select if you want to select this first one, automatic table 1. Now it is content like this. Clear? With the page name. Is it clear? Suppose you want to select second one, the heading is table of content. Nothing else. Now here I want to make our own table of content. What I will do? Go to the reference tab first, then select table of content option under table of contents group and click on insert table of content. Once you click on this, you will get table of content dialog box and it select table of content. By default it select table of content tab. Preview of this is like this. It shows the two check boxes are checked. That means it will show page number. A page number is right aligned like this. This is the page number. A page number is right side. Clear? Tab leaders like dots. So here dots are visible. If you want to write line, so select this. Line option. Line are visible. So dot is much clear. Then another thing, if you want to modify your table of contents, select option and do some changes. Here I don't want to change it. You simply click on OK button. You will get your table of content. Now see. Here by default hyperlink feature is enabled in this table of content. Once you press Ctrl and click in any topic in chapter, you get link like this. Directly go there. Clear? Now suppose you want to remove this. So what you will do? Go to the table of content and insert table of content. There is an option. Use hyperlink instead of page number. So click on this checkbox. Now click OK. Do you want to replace the selected table of content? Yes, I want to replace it. Click OK. Now there is no hyperlink. Is it clear? Then if you want to modify some data in table of content, what you will do in your document. Now this is chapter number system. There is no one. There is no one. But you can see here in your table of content, it is written like 1. But in the content, there is no 1. How we can modify our table of content? Now this time. Simply you have to go in table of content group under reference tab, select update tables. Once you click on update table, you will get update table of content dialog box with two options: update page numbers only or update entire table. Update page numbers only means if you want to modify your page numbers, but here in this case I want to modify our content which is written in the table of content. So select second one option, update entire table, and then click OK button. You will see the change. Now only chapter in place of chapter instead of chapter. Clear? Right. Do some change like this. Place your content in the next page, and now second page is blank. Again you have to see here, this is given, this first topic is given page number 2, but it is appeared in page number 3. What I will do, right click, update fields. There is update field option, but I want to go here, this update table option. Once you click on update table, in the table of content group under reference tab, and select update page numbers only, your page number will be updated like this. See, now it is page number 3. Okay, I hope this video is clear to you. All the topics I have covered which are related to the session number 4. Create table of content means how we will create a table of content and define the hierarchy of headings. You see the 3 types of total hierarchy means first chapter name, like subtopic, main topic, then subtopic like this. Then customize a table of content in this entries we have discussed. And character style, in character style you can change the font size, font style, font color, background color like this, and maintain a table of content. In maintain a table of content, there are 3 options which come. One is edit, second is update, and third one is thank you class.